Meaning of homecoming.
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 Homecoming. Homecoming refers to the act of returning home, often for a specific occasion or event. It can also refer to the feeling of nostalgia and familiarity that comes with being in a place that was once one's home. The word is commonly associated with school or university events where alumni return to their alma mater to celebrate and reconnect with former classmates and teachers. Homecoming events typically involve parades, sporting events, and other festivities. Overall, homecoming represents a sense of belonging and connection to one's past and roots.